northeastern Illinois, northeastern Grenby County in northeastern Illinois until 7:30 p.m. At 6:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Shanahan, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Elwood and Rockdale around 6:45 p.m. New Lenox and Ingalls Park around 6:55 p.m. Manhattan around 7 o'clock p.m. Mokina around 7:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Preston Heights, Simmerton, Frankfort Square and Crest Hill, including the following interstates. Interstate 55 between mile markers 241 and 255. Interstate 80 between mile markers 119 and 140. This includes University of St. Francis, Shanahan State Park, Chicagoland Speedway Route 66 Raceway, Joliet Junior College, and Joliet Slammers Baseball. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 o'clock p.m. for northeastern Illinois.
Here's the deal. Y'all promise to be quiet.
Yes. Yes. They promise.
Doubleheader.
We're gonna have fun all night long, ain't we?
So what about the one where he makes torpedoes out of fire extinguishers? Not near as good as the one where he takes the two candlesticks and the car back.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Iroquois County in east central Illinois, southern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, northwestern Benton County in northwestern Indiana until 7:15 p.m. or 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 6:40 p.m. or 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Sheldon or near up, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Ow.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Robin Freeland Park around 7:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Kentland around 8:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Fowler, Perkins, Wadena, Lachio, Percy Junction and Goodland around 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Earl Park and Iroquois. This storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 o'clock p.m. to midnight Eastern Daylight Time for east central Illinois and northwestern Indiana. The National